been in the Denver area for about 4.5 years, at least when I've been down here with them. And we do only custom when I was working with Beck. So the last project I had worked with you guys on was the O'Hara residence, and that was a 14,000 square foot house, and you guys just did a fantastic job for me. So it was really a pleasure. I didn't have to talk to you about schedule or scope of work. You guys knew exactly what I needed to have done, so it was fantastic. Most memorable was working with Mike, Michael I believe his name is, on the schedule, making sure that everything went right. It was such a large project, I didn't know all the little ins and outs, and I couldn't because the time schedule was so intense. So I relied on him and his expertise to make sure it flowed properly. So, and he was always very enthusiastic about the project. I've done 3 other custom homes and used you all for each one. So each of our projects usually take a year and a half to complete, so that's why 4 times. So every time I've had to use an HVAC contractor in the Denver area, I've used Cooper. And especially now that I'm on my own, I can't afford trying to find anybody else. I can't afford a bad reputation. I'm trying to build a good reputation. I'm trying to build a reputation. I do carry some from my past employer, but now that I'm on my own, I can't afford to start from scratch. And especially now that I know who's a good subcontractor and who's a good HVAC contractor, why go anywhere else? I can't afford to lose Cooper's reputation, because their reputation helps my reputation. So it's good because they know that I use good, reputable contractors.